shortest street in Port Antonio. Yeah, Blake Street this. William Street out there, so you see me? Yeah man, Portland Jerk Center down there, so you see me? Harbour Street Station down there, so you hear that? Bus park around there, so you see me? Veteran TV lock down the city. Mad. Just give the eye them a look. Night, you know. So just turn on Veteran TV. Yeah man, the 16th, you know, December 2020. Wednesday, you hear that? Maddy. Yo, that's a daddy. Big up yourself, Miss Mars. Here, full action. Yeah, man, see new place here, PLS there, Morgan's Plaza to the world. Veteran TV, lock down the city. You see it, daddy? See how me hygiene them there, yeah man. So you think set man. Go and look at what going on Port Antonio Wednesday evening, you know. Morgan's Plaza. Hot place in a town of the Christmas I seen. Like and share and subscribe. Veteran TV to the world. Which is right.